In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create debit and credit account ledger in Microsoft Excel. We'll be building a simple ledger that automatically calculates the balance after each transaction, which is very useful for tracking account activity in a clear and organized way. To begin, open the workbook in Microsoft Excel. Once the file is open, prepare your sample data. In this example, the data is already arranged in cells A1 through E6. This usually means you already have your basic ledger layout in place, such as transaction details along with debit, credit, and balance columns. Before entering formulas, it's always a good idea to quickly check that your debit and credit values are in the correct columns so the calculations work properly. Next, calculate the first balance. Click on cell E2. In that cell, type an equals sign, then enter C2, followed by a minus sign, and then D2. The formula should read as C2 minus D2 with the equal sign at the beginning. Press enter. Excel will now calculate the opening balance for that first transaction. This first formula is important because it sets the starting point for the rest of the ledger. After that, calculate the running balance. Click cell E3 and type another formula. Start with an equal sign, then enter E2, followed by a plus sign, then C3, then a minus sign, and finally D3. Press enter. This formula takes the previous balance, adds the current debit amount, and subtracts the current credit amount. That's what creates a running total, which updates as each transaction is recorded. Once the formula in E3 is correct, copy it down through E6. To do that, select cell E3, then drag the fill handle down until you reach cell E6. Excel will automatically adjust the formula for each row, allowing the balance to update for every transaction in your list. Now take a moment to view the result. The balance column should now reflect the current account balance after each entry. This gives you a clear, line-by-line view of how the account changes over time. If you want to modify the ledger later, you can add more transactions by inserting additional rows below the existing entries and then copying the running balance formula into those new rows. If your debit and credit values are stored in different columns, simply update the formula references by replacing C or D with the appropriate column letters. And that's it. You now have a basic debit and credit account ledger in Excel that automatically tracks balances as new transactions are added.